Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable P2P so you can use the QR code to scan the DVR or NVR and watch it from a web browser or your mobile app. Simply log into the DVR or NVR. Once you log in, go into the menu and go under Settings. Under Settings, select Network. Make sure you have obtain an IP address automatically, also obtain an IPv6 address automatically, and also obtain DNS automatically, unless you want to set up your own static IP. After that, you click Apply, and then you go into the top settings where it says NAT, N-A-T. Make sure you have the NAT enabled, and then just click Apply. This will be the QR code that you will use in the web browser and also in your mobile app. Now, if you want to watch your DVR or NVR remotely from your computer, make sure you copy the QR code from the previous menu. Now, open Internet Explorer and then go to autonet.com. Once you're in this page, you're going to type in the QR code number and then the username and password of your DVR or NVR, and then select Login. If you get this message, that means your computer you haven't installed the plugin, so you must install it. Click here to download and install it. Once you install it, close the browser and do the same process again. Now you're going to get this bottom pop-up at the bottom of your screen. Just simply click Allow, and that's it. Once you connect it, you will see the cameras automatically. In my system, I only have one camera here, but if you have more, you will see a list of cameras on the left side. Now in your phone, open Superlight Plus and then go into the top left menu, go under Server List, and then go on the top right to hit the plus sign and select on the square with the line in the middle under the IP/DNS/SN, and then scan the QR code from your system. Once you scanned it, put a name that you like on the DVR or NVR. For example, I'm gonna call it My Office. Then type in the password of the DVR or NVR. Once you do that, just select OK and select Save. If you see the green wireless icon, that means it's connected. You can click on that circle with the play and it will show you the live view. As you guys can see, this is live view right now. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos.